You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this confusing word indeed. How do you pronounce it? Let's break it down. I put the phonetic spelling on your screen at the bottom. Anion. So it's not a. Ni. It's an I sound, not an E sound. And then not an on sign. So it's not a neon, but rather anion, a negatively charged ion from chemistry. That's the meaning. Anion. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.